Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the bridal box number 5 of 12. So let's see what we have inside, shall we? We have matching groom and bride pint glasses. These are actually really cute, really durable, made of glass, so handle with care. We have eye care, under eye care for the night after drinking, partying, having the couples party, any late night, depending on what you're planning for. We have a beautiful garter made of white lace by Coquette. It's very soft and very well made. We have a sash, it looks like. Bride-to-be sash. It is very sturdy. Makes a good novelty item for the night of the couples party or bachelorette party. That way you don't have to worry about it getting lost and it costing a whole lot to replace. We have Be a Bombshell ruby red lipstick in this box. And the last thing we have is a bottle opener that says cheers. This is the last item in this box. I hope you will join me next time when we do some more boxes from the Bride Box.